Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome or welcome back. Okay, as you can see, I've only got 6 of these laid out. I have been having a hard time getting the A bucks and some J bucks. So I figured what I would do is I would roll the dice and put what ones I got into that envelope. And then later on, I may just start putting 5s in, or 4, ones or different stuff like that to try to get these envelopes filled. This one right here is done. This was the F Buck challenge, and it is a payment going towards Chase card. And I pulled this one out and I put F bucks for Lowe's, but it don't matter because I'm just rolling the dice. But if I do have some extra F bucks, I'll be putting them into this envelope. A lot of these I've done off camera also. I've been doing them on camera, just trying to save as much as I can. And I will count and let you know how much was in this one altogether. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. $58 is going to go into the checking account, and the payment is going to be sent over to Chase. So that is exciting that I did get done with one challenge, and a payment is going towards debt. So like I said, put this one to the side and we'll start this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. $27 going into some of these envelopes. So we're going to get started. So that's a 2. I hope everybody has had a good start to the week. I know I have been busy. That was a 1. I'll bring it over and let you see. I have been busy finishing up the garden, getting the chickens all straightened out. I got 4 hens laying. I ended up with 4 eggs this morning. And Lord, this one hen the other day, she laid the biggest egg. I thought it was a goose egg when I first walked in there. I thought, man, do I got a goose in here? Because, I mean, it was jumbo. And it was a double yolk. And that was just so awesome to see that. That was a 1 also. That's a 1. But like I said, I am having a hard time finding A bucks and J bucks. So I decided I would, spice it up a little bit or change it up a little bit to try to get more money added into some of these envelopes that I need to get funded. 5, 4. So everything's been going good. I got a lot of canning done this year. The garden done great. I've canned so much. Once I get my pantry all situated and cleaned out, because I don't want y'all to look at my cluttered up pantry, I will show you what all we got canned. And it was just a good feeling that my garden had done so good. So we'll start down here with this one. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to color in 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And I will just put that in here. This one is going towards PayPal, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll color this one right here in. Guys, you don't know how good it feels to be able to save, just even if it's just a little bit. And I did cut this one a little bit too far over, and the glue must have come off a little bit, but it's okay. Just to save a little bit of money to pay towards this debt, and I am so ready to get this debt off me. So this one is going towards personal loan number 2, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6, so we will do, okay, a 4 and a 2. So this one right here has got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This one's already got 30 in it. That's awesome. And I may condense some of these down too later on. This one is City, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll color this one over here. So 9, 10, 11. This one's got a, no, 10, 14, 16. This one's got 16 in it. But I won't bore y'all with me pulling it out and counting it. I'll count it in the next video that I do with these envelopes. This one is going to Lowe's. Lowe's is my next lowest balance, so you might see Lowe's in here quite a few times, which is okay. Small steps lead up to great wins. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will color in this one. 5, 10, 15, 19, 20, 21. It should have 21 in it. And then the A bucks, which is the reason why I cannot find A's for some reason in this area, has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will color in this 5. And a 1. So I'll show you. As long as I've been doing this. Uh-oh. I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It should have 10. Okay, I'm not going to bother, so I'm just going to throw $1 in there to make sure we're all good. Let me make sure there ain't $1 left in here. There was $1 left in here. Never mind. I'll put that $1 back. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There was $1 stuck in there. So guys, the next video that you will see is the other 6 envelopes, getting money added to them the same way that I just done this. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you all have a great week, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.